talking balaclava, but for real, it is freezing cold out here, and at least where I'm at, I don't get this type of weather very often. As you can see, I own zero snow camouflage, so don't even know what the point of trying on that end is. But rummaging through my cold weather gear, I did come across this wrap, which I made years ago. Don't think I ever actually used, but here on one of the few days where I have some white snow on the ground, I'm gonna get the option to show it to y'all. Anyways, what this is just a really simple piece of camouflage for your rifle or any of your kit, really. All it is a piece of thick natural colored twine that I've taken pieces of white bed sheet, cut up into strips, and some of this really loosely woven natural colored burlap, and just tied knots around and made this long streamer. It could be a little bit longer, would have worked a little bit better. But the point of this thing is you can keep these, make them in all different colors, and you can wrap them around whatever your gear is, depending on your environment. So, like you said, I don't hardly have any snow, so having one of these in a light wintry color is pretty nice. Helps break up the outline of the rifle, and you can just toss it on there and quickly wrap it around and give your rifle a little bit of camouflage in whatever color your local foliage is, your local environment is, without having to go and paint your rifle. Obviously, we've seen T-Rex videos. We know about the snow. We know if we take those little squares of white tape, we can camouflage our rifle in a similar way. But wrapping this thing around it is super quick and easy and takes very little effort for me to get a fairly well camouflaged rifle. And the outline here is broken up pretty well as the color tones are broken up. So whatever base color your rifle is, you can make one of these, wrap it around it pretty easily, and you get two benefits: both the layers that break out the outline and the color differentiation across it that'll help break up the color. Because even if you had your rifle completely sprayed OD green or tan or whatever, out here, if it were to be completely white, it would really stand out. But you can see I'm standing out like crazy, but my rifle isn't. This is super easy. Just take your piece of twine, and then every inch or so, just do an overhand knot and tie a little loop of fabric in there with it. Pull it tight, that fabric won't come out. And it'll make like a little ghillie rope for you, to where you can camouflage really whatever you want. And it's really easy. So give that a try, and if it helps you out, leave a comment. Let me know how you like it, and let me know what colors you've made. All right, have a good one.